How's it going, guys? So today in this video we're gonna try to make my Husky silent compressor even more silent. So for the purpose we have this guy right here and I have this guy right here. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to get it more quieter than, you know, just this box, because my idea is, you know, get this foam, cut it, you know, in these pieces right here, so I can get foam here, foam on the top, and foam on this side as well, but on the inside. So we will see if I'm gonna be able to do that. I hope I can be able to do that, and I hope I'll get this compressor even more quieter. I hope it doesn't burn. You know, so yeah, because that compressor needs to breathe and it gets pretty hot. So we will see what we're gonna do about the heat. So yeah, well, let's start measuring, cutting some foam, and let's see how we're gonna attach the foam to the box and see if we're gonna be able to do that. So let's get to it. That's why I have two. Both of them should have been twin size, but I apparently ran out from my store. I got this from Target, so I'm gonna put, you know, this can right there. If you guys want to go and do the same thing, I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I'm gonna find out. That twin was like 15 bucks. This guy here was 20, so total of 35 bucks, you know, to cover this entire box, because that's the idea. So let's see if I'm gonna be able to do that. I hope so. So I have this stapler. I don't know how good it's gonna work, stapler on a cardboard box, but we're gonna find out. It's holding it. I don't know. I need to find the rest of the staples, because I'm running out from staples. So give me a second, guys, and I'll be back. I found my staples. So this is the ones that I'm using. If you guys are curious which ones I'm using, this is the ones that I'm using. So let's get this box done. I just need the top. So let me show you my progress. I don't know what you guys are seeing. There you go. So I just need the very front or top, and should be good to go. And this is not gonna be perfect, guys. I'm not even trying to be perfect. I mean, it's a cardboard box, you know. What do you expect? Okay, guys. So finish wrapping the box all the way around, and actually let me show you, you know, roughly how much noisier we are. You guys can see 70 something plus, looks like it. Let me show you the box real quick. We have the box right there. Okay, once again, it's not perfect, but you know, in the same time, it's a box. You know, it's not meant to be perfect. So First, I'm gonna turn on the compressor, show you the meter, and then I'm gonna put the box on top and show you the meter again. So let's see if we can make this compressor more quieter than, you know, than the manufacturer. It's because I believe on the box says 73 decibel. I think somewhere, so I don't know. But either way, I believe it was 73. So let's see. We'll turn on the compressor and we'll see what's gonna happen. Okay guys, let's turn on the compressor and let's see how much noise it's gonna make. Guess I'm too close, I don't know. I really think that's way quieter than this, but I don't know. Let's see. If I go somewhere around here, let's see. I don't know if this is right. Let me try and see if I can find a different app, because this is weird. It shows me the same exact thing, which, yeah, I don't know. Let me see. Okay, I got this app. Let's see how much it's gonna show right now. So you guys can see it's, you know, averaging 72.89, something like that, 73. So let's see when you turn it on. So just blowing air, it's like 90. Let's try it again. Okay guys, well, you can see right now my son is louder than the compressor. So let me see if I go somewhere around here. 65. So I think that's pretty good. I really think this is like super good. Now I'm gonna cut a window in the front, like a door, so I can run my compressor line and everything. So let's do that real quick. See if you can be able to use it that way. Because at the same time, you know, it needs to vent. Okay guys, so let me show you what I have here. So right here on the edge, it's like a 4 3/4 from the edge. And then here 4 3/4 from this edge. And then from the top, it is 2 inches. And then the entire opening, it's about 6 inches. So I have this window right here, you know, same height and everything. We'll see if this is gonna work. And then I have this tape right here, so I can tape my installation and everything. Let's see if we can be able to get like a door. Okay guys, well, let's check it out. So I did a handle right there, you know, and I did a hole right here for my line, and then when you pop it open, you guys can see everything, gauges, controls, whatever you guys need. Let's test it out with this one, if I can. So if I get it, oh, there we go, right there. You guys can see run. Well, this is the cheap one. I will definitely get a different one because this one is pretty hard pipe, like a hard plastic pipe. So I'm gonna get something better. But there you go. You guys can see it is pretty good. So I can get the gauges. You guys can see them right there. Let's see. You guys got 75. We can. Let's get it more. There you go. 150. Now I can just close it. You guys can see how tight it is on the top. I can put more of this tape on the side to get it, you know, to fit tighter. You'll see. And now we can use it and see if we got a solution. Looks like it, because I think it's gonna work just like that. I don't know, guys. I think we got it. Let's see. We're 10 meters away. And you guys can see that basically my sound is louder than the compressor. So I really think this is a success. Okay, guys, that's it from me for this video. Boom. And remember, if I can do it, you guys can do it. So say hi. Well, thanks so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to smash the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.